controlled industrial world
Only the highest quality hides are selected.
ensures consistent material quality. Craftsmanship meets industrial.
In the future of leather, everything begins when nature still breathes.
Only the highest quality hides are selected through strict ethical evaluation.
From open desert, the journey begins toward precision manufacturing. Every hide enters a system designed for precision and respect. A controlled industrial world where raw materials enter a highly organized production system.
The first transformation begins with purification.
Every layer is refined for perfect structural balance. Sustainability defines the next stage of transformation. Technology now decides what nature has provided. Moisture balance is restored for safe processing. The material is mechanically prepared for further refinement. And now, the factory begins to reshape the future of leather.
Each material is analyzed for precise industrial classification.
Inside the factory, raw materials enter the main production environment.
Send me a page.
Materials move closer to the transformation stage. Natural compounds are prepared for controlled transformation. Uniform treatment ensures consistent material quality. Each layer begins its structural transformation. The material is prepared for stabilization and drying.
The material enters a controlled environment for moisture stabilization.
Every piece is dried under precise industrial conditions. Material flexibility is enhanced for precision shaping. Only stable materials proceed to the next stage. Precision cutting defines the foundation of modern design. Every component is created with industrial accuracy. Each piece is organized for structured assembly. Edges are refined for long-lasting durability. Preparation for assembly begins with perfect alignment. The assembly stage begins with fully automated precision stitching. Every seam is created with controlled mechanical accuracy. The assembly stage begins with fully automated precision stitching. Individual components are joined into full garment structure.
Comfort layers are seamlessly integrated inside the design.
Structural strength is formed under controlled pressure. Environmental control prepares every piece for precise construction. Automated systems deliver consistent preparation for durable assembly. Every component is positioned for flawless assembly. The transformation is now visible as individual components become a luxury garment.
The garment now enters the stage where craftsmanship meets industrial precision.
The garment now enters the stage where craftsmanship meets industrial precision.
Perfect alignment ensures consistency across every jacket.
Modern automation guarantees flawless hardware placement. Surface treatment brings out the character of the leather. Controlled shaping defines the garment's final profile. Every detail is verified before approval. The transformation is complete, but the testing has only begun. Visual perfection is the first requirement of premium manufacturing. Every dimension is verified against strict engineering standards.
Durability is measured, not assumed.
Performance under repeated movement determines long-term reliability. Protection during transport begins with precision packaging. Every detail reflects the value of the finished product. Digital tracking maintains visibility throughout the supply chain.
Automation ensures efficiency at every stage of distribution.
Precise coordination keeps the global supply chain moving.
The finished jackets begin their journey to retailers and customers.
And this is how modern factories produce white camel leather jackets from start to finish. From a single factory, products move toward destinations around the world.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.